Welcome back to DrawColor. Today we are going to see how to draw a whale and interesting facts about whales. The blue whale is the largest animal to have ever existed on Earth. It can grow as long as 100 feet, which is longer than 3 school buses. The heart of a blue whale is so big that it can be as large as a small car, and their tongue alone can weigh as much as an elephant. Whales are mammals, which means they need to breathe air. They have blowholes on top of their heads that they use to come to the surface and breathe. Humpback whales are known for their beautiful songs. These songs can be heard underwater and can last for hours. Whales are great travelers. They migrate thousands of miles every year. Some travel from cold polar waters to warm tropical seas. Whales have powerful tails that help them swim through the water. Their tails can be as wide as 15 feet. Some whales, like orcas killer whales, are actually part of the dolphin family, and they are known to be very intelligent and social animals. Baleen whales have a special filtering system. They have baleen plates in their mouths that act like a sieve, allowing them to filter out tiny shrimp and other small creatures from the water. Just like human fingerprints, each humpback whale's tail is unique. Researchers use these tail patterns to identify and track individual whales. Whales communicate with each other through a series of clicks, whistles, and songs. They have their own language. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Bye.